Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can add a photo to a contact on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open the phone app, then switch to the contacts in bottom right corner, find the contact that you want to edit, let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and then tap on this information icon. Over here select edit, and then at the top tap on the avatar in order to add something. You can use one of these preset images, you can open the camera and then take the picture that will be used for the avatar. And you can also choose gallery in order to take the picture from your gallery. If you do that, you can edit a little bit, you can zoom in, zoom out, and reposition the photo, and then press done. And that's it. Now we can press save. Now, from what I noticed, you need to make sure that the contact is not on the SIM card, because if you try to add a contact that will be saved on the SIM card, then you have no option to change the avatar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.